Did you know that you can create your own financial plan without paying $1,000 or $1,500 to a financial advisor to do it for you? All you need to know is two financial rules. Hello, this is Victor Cuevas with Victor for Advice. And if you can learn these two rules, you can chart your own course towards retirement. The first one is the 4% rule. And the second rule is the rule of 25. Now, what's the 4% rule? Well, that says that whatever you have accumulated for retirement, let's suppose it's $1 million, then the most you should ever draw out of that account in 1 year is 4%. If you do that, you could run out of, if you go beyond that 4%, you could run out of money. Why is that? Well, the market goes up and down, sideways. You never know where it's going to go. And if market drops 10, 20, 30%, it could take 2 or 3 years to crawl out of that hole. And here you are drawing out your retirement income. So you can say that if you're not careful, you could run out of money. Some experts are saying every 3.5% is the most you should draw out. So that's one thing to remember. Never draw out more than 4%. So how do you know how much you should save so that when you draw that 4%, it's enough? Well, there's where the 25% rule comes in. So take whatever income, just imagine whatever income you would like to have in retirement. Let's just say it's $100,000 a year. You might say, well, I'm going to have Social Security, but I would like to have a retirement account that will pay me $100,000 a year. Well, how much money do you have to have in an account to pay you $100,000 a year? Well, you take that $100,000, multiply it times 25, and then you get $2.5 million. Now, what's 4% of $2.5 million? $100,000. Okay, so whatever amount you want, $50,000, $80,000, $100,000, if that's what you want to have when you reach retirement, then you need to multiply that times 25, and that's the amount you have to have saved up. It's savings during your lifetime. The growth of it amounts to that amount, and then 4% of that is what your income is. So that gives you a track to run on. So you're 25, 30, 35, 40, you say, hey, I need to get to retirement at 65, 70, whenever you feel like it, and I want to have $80,000 paid out to me, then multiply times 25, and that's how you get to it. Now, the question is, in the example I gave you, 100,000 multiplied times 25, 2.5 million. What if you could earn or receive $100,000 in income and have far less than 2.5 million saved up? Those are the ninja strategies that I can help you with. Again, this is Victor Cuevas, Victor for Advice. I hope this has been helpful. Contact me, let me know if I can help you, and I'll show you how you can use those two rules to get to the retirement that you want. God bless.